Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on logging out of Google on your Galaxy tablet. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your tablet. Scroll down the settings and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now on the right side menu, tap on Manage Accounts. Select the Google account that you would like to log out of. Tap Remove Account and then tap Remove Account again on the pop-up. That Google account is now removed from your tablet. You'll be logged out of all Google services such as YouTube and Gmail. You can add the account again by logging back into a service such as Gmail or YouTube. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Tab tips and tricks.